Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to thread a bobbin for your sewing machine. So the first thing that we're going to do is place the thread on the thread holder of your machine, and then you're going to take the thread and bring it over to the tension disc of your machine. All machines are different, but on most every machine, the tension disc is going to be somewhere over here on the opposite side of your thread holder. And it's just a disc that helps to hold the thread taut, because you don't want this to be loose. You want it to be held taut. So we're going to slide the thread between the disc there, and then we're going to take the thread and put it through the bobbin. Now, again, different machines use different bobbins. This is the bobbin that I use for my machine. It's a metal bobbin. Some machines may use a plastic bobbin like this. So you do need to find out what kind of bobbin your machine uses. But with all bobbins, there will be a hole at the top. In the plastic bobbin, you can see there's a hole right there. And the thread is going to go, get over here so you can see. In the plastic bobbin, the thread is just going to go in the center of the bobbin and up through the hole, just like that. I hope you can see that. So I just went through the center and then up through the hole. So on the metal bobbin, it's the same thing. Just going to go through the center and then up through the hole. And then you're going to put your bobbin on the bobbin spindle. And then pull your thread up like that. Next, you're going to lock the bobbin into place. So there should be a lever here that you push, or your machine may just require that you move the bobbin spindle over, but there will be a way to lock that bobbin in, which is what engages the gear to make the bobbin spin. And then the next step is to go over here and disengage. This is what disengages the needle, because you don't want your sewing needle to be going up and down while you're winding your bobbin. You don't need that to work. So we're going to disengage that. And with my machine, I am simply going to turn this dial toward me. Some machines you simply push in. There will be a little button where you push, but it will be somewhere over here on your wheel to disengage that needle. So once that is done, you just hold this thread out of the way, hold it up to the top, and then you push on your pedal and your bobbin will start to spin. And once you've gone a few spins, then you can just stop and you can cut this top thread, because you're not going to need that on there. And then you can continue winding. Now, you should see your bobbin thread move up and down, because you don't want the thread to be spinning all in one spot. You don't want all your thread to be in one location on your bobbin. You don't want it to all be down at the bottom or at the top. You want it to be dispersed evenly. So you want to watch and make sure that your thread is moving up and down as you spin your bobbin. And when your bobbin is full, this should snap away and it should disengage when the bobbin is full. Okay, just like that. So when it sensed when the bobbin was full and it snapped open. So now my bobbin is ready. So I'm simply going to clip the thread, and now I have a full bobbin.